The MQ-9 Reaper is the primary offensive strike unmanned aerial vehicle for the U.S. Air Force. It has wide-range sensors, multi-mode communications suite, and precision weapons. Its engine speed is 230 miles per hour and ranges up to 1,150 miles. Reapers can perform the missions and tasks such as intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance, close air support, combat search and rescue, precision strike, buddy laser, raid overwatch, route clearance, target development, and terminal air guidance. Reapers can carry double the amount of Hellfires and bombs of up to the 500-pounds class.
Make sure this drone doesn't fly above you, otherwise you will be in trouble.